Hello, and today I'm going to play Caution Ultimates with wait, what is he?
I
Uh,
did.
wait, wait, come here.
Oh,
And today I'm going to play Caution Ultimates with Bacon Wolf. Stop. Oh
stop.
no, I've been hit by the car, bro. Help! All right, all right. Sup, everybody, and yeah, can you greet this the virus?
Hi.
Yeah, and today we are going to play Caution Ultimates. I hope this isn't going to lag. So, all right, let's just start. Let's get started. Oh, what? Almost got hit.
That was close. That was close.
All right, limo. All right, get in.
Little? Yeah. Wait, there's no seats.
What?
Wait,
How?
there's no
Well, all
seats.
right, let's. Oh, whoa! What is that?
What? School bus, hi.
What is happening?
Imagine there were actual kids in the school bus and they get drive over by a train, bro. Like,
Why is it
whoa,
so laggy?
what? What is happening to the bus?
Oh my god, why is this so chaotic? Why? Let me drive.
Okay.
No. Oh, why is it so laggy?
Why did you fall? Why did you fall? Why is she sitting on air? What?
What? What? No, I'm not saying on there. What do you mean?
The Roblox, 10,610. Oh, she jumped.
Oh. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening to this wagon?
I don't know. You?
What is happening to the wheels?
I think it's tweaking.
Oh, what is this? Roblox Igor?
Roblox what?
Hamburger.
What? Oh, oh, why is it so laggy? Oh, oh no. Oh my god.
For
Bro.
me, it's not very laggy, to be honest, for some reason.
Yeah, I'm recording, so it's like super laggy, so. Oh my god. Oh no!
No!
Oh, oh no!
The truck is going for you, bro!
Oh my god, the bus is undrivable, bro. Help, I can drive this. What is happening to my frames per second? Help me! I'm driving to the trees.
Wait, there was a tram
Oh
train!
no! Water!
No!
No!
There was a tram train and you fell into the water.
Help!
We're drowning, bro, with the kids, man. Why we?
Teleport to the spawn. Oh my god! Is that you great?
What?
Yo, teleport to spawn. Oh
Is that
no! My game crashed.
your game crashed?
Yeah!
What?
Alright, let me cut this out.
Oh, you're like barely moving. You're just stuck and.
Well, let me rejoin. Let me rejoin.
Yo, you're stuck and like you're walking. You're Roblox Igor. Wait, let me screenshot that.
Alright. Alright. Let me join you.
Why is Tom Hanks killing everybody, bro?
Wait, why did you leave?
I don't know. Oh, it's because my drawings are off. Wait, let me fix that.
Wait, can you join my private server?
Yeah. Sure, why not? Train versus ultimate. There.
Alright, join me. Join up.
Vehicles changes every week.
Alright, hope this isn't going to lag so much. Oh my god, I instantly feel the lag.
What is this tank book?
What is this?
Cat.
Cat?
It's cat.
This is
It's
not a
the-
cat, this is a tank!
Yo. There's actually in real life there's a
Yeah, I know.
like this. Oh.
Yo, let's fight some fire.
Okay. Wait, what can I get on?
Oh, I can't get on either. What's happening? This game. Wait, is this a One Piece reference?
Weird van. Where
What?
is it?
What is this? What? Wait.
Is it, oh, there's seats. There's seats in here in the van.
wait. Yo, can you get in? Free candy.
Oh yeah, for candy. Oh, wait, for candy. Where's
I get
candy?
kidnapped.
No.
Now I'm going to
Mommy.
by trains.
Mommy, this is scary.
What?
So the kids, this is why you shouldn't trust people.
Yeah, right.
That's a free candy on the van.
Alright.
Wait, how did I hit 100 deaths? I think I played this before actually. On
Alright.
object.
Wait, let's drive the car. Wait.
There's objects.
Yo, can you get on? Oh, wait, where are you? Where
I'm
are
here.
you?
I'm here.
Alright, get on. Where am I drifting?
Yeah. There's no seats.
Alright, let's drive. Alright. Wait. Oh no.
By the way, there was Tom Hanks in the public server.
What?
Like the Tom train.
What?
How can I
Yeah.
get on? You know, like the cartoon.
Yeah, Thomas the tank.
No, the train. Yeah, train.
Oh yeah, I know.
There was that train in the public server. I was just in the in the map, like where the cars are, and you spawn them. Wait, let me click. No, didn't click. Yo, the school got run over.
What?
The school got run
What?
over.
What? Is it a
Oh,
what? Wait, let's buy something.
what is the
Wrong
train?
board. We can push the shop. Oh my god.
Yo, is
What
this
is-
train just wiggling
what
like a worm again?
Oh, what? Oh.
Weird van. Hi, Rainbow Van.
Whoa, whoa, this is so fast. Yo. Oh, oh, what is happening? Oh, wait, I know. Wait. Wait, let me. Oh my god. Why is it so laggy? Alright, yeah.
Train spot. No. Wait, let's sit in the train.
Ah!
Oh.
No, it's
No.
bro.
My rainbow van. What did you do to my rainbow van? Bro. Wait. Oh, I'm in the train. I'm in the train.
What? How?
The seats in the train.
Yo, where? Can you spot? Can you respawn? I'm going to
Gotcha.
kill you.
Mission failed. Yo. Yo, why am I getting flogged again, man? Yo. Whoa, why am I getting flogged? Wait, let me try something. Oh, it's not collidable. Yo. Mini
What?
school bus.
What was that? Just right now.
Cargo van. Wait, let me try.
Wait. Cards. What? What is this?
Mini
This is
car.
like a kid's car. Oh my god. Yo, can you spawn the cards too?
Yo, okay.
Let's like destroy the cards.
No, those are kids. Those are for kids.
What is?
Bro, it's so hard to drive on this thing.
I don't know. It's easy to drive for me.
Howdy.
You almost crash into the car right there. Be careful, bro. Why is it so laggy, bro?
Not laggy. Wait, what is it? Wait.
Why is it so
No.
laggy? What?
The card. The card. Card gonna be alright.
Oh my god, this is so laggy. Let me close some tabs in Firefox.
I'm not laggy, to be honest.
Yeah, it's because you have a good PC.
It's like 144 FPS, something. The
Yeah,
maximum.
that's right. You have a good PC because my
Yeah.
game can run in full screen. It's like
Oh.
impossible. Alright, can you
Wait,
remove
what?
this car?
Wait, go in the train. Go in the train. Wait,
What?
go in the train.
What?
Bro, no. Go in the train. Go in the train. And then jump.
Go on the train. Go on the
Oh, never mind. It doesn't work anymore.
What? I died in front of the train. What?
Wait, can you spawn the train?
Yeah.
I mean, like,
Wait.
make
Can
it
you
run.
get in the train? I wanna do something.
Oh, there's
Can you
this
like
thing.
sit in it?
Speed.
Yo, can you sit in the train real quick?
What happened?
What is abomination?
Oh, am I so heavy that it literally crashed?
I don't know. Oh no!
Where's the
The
where's
train bus!
phone?
Like,
No!
oh, it's the phone! Oh my god! What is this?
No! Kelby, I'm stuck. Kelby, I'm stuck. Oh, funny. No. No! Wait. Bro.
It's horrible. The spawn is covered. What? What happened? Oh my god! You just...
I'm in the train, by the way.
Oh, this is so fun!
No, that's not the one.
Oh, the train is phones! Yo, can you click the picture train?
The pizza. Okay, I'm here.
No,
Wait,
you're
why
not
am I
here.
on the other?
I can see you. Can you click it?
Wait, I see Tom Hanks. Tom Tang. Wait, I'm gonna just drive to you.
Alright.
Speed up and forward. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh my god! Where is this so fire, man?
What?
Oh my god! my no, my throat is dying, bro. I laugh so hard, bro.
You beat the train. Wait, I'm gonna try to get Tom Tang again. Oh, I got it again! Yo. Wait, let me try to speed up fully. Like, come on, fast. Horn. Yo, I can horn in this train. Wait, I'm gonna try to get the speed to 10,000. Because I can see the speed going up when I click speed up thing. Alright? It's 10,000.
Alright.
No!
Look, where's the train? But it survived, bro. It survived. How did it survive? Alright,
Wait.
get the train.
Wait, spawn the train. Let me try to hit it again. It just spawns so many Tom Tanks.
Oh my god, this game is to pay to. I have to pay 450 Robux for a rocket launcher. Oh,
Nah, bro, what the
Pikachu.
flip?
Yay! Potion gun.
Alright, close to 10,000. Oh my lord!
Oh my god!
Yo.
What is that? Oh no! Oh, what is happening? You are getting flying by the anti-cheat!
Wait, let me try going forward. I mean, backwards. I'm here. Wait a minute. Go in the train. Yo, go in the train. Go in the train. Go in the train.
Where?
Go in the train.
What is that? Hey.
Go in the train. Go in the train. I want to do something.
Double the trains. What the flip? What happened? Where is your hair, bro?
I don't know, but I'm gonna kill myself. Wait. No.
Wait, I can click forward. Wait. Oh, never mind. Oh, why is it so funny? Oh no! My FPS, help!
I'm not. How am I still not lagging? How am I still on 60 ping, bro? What?
What is happening? Yo, get in the train. Get in the train.
No.
Oh, no.
Wait, get in the train. No, where are my arms?
No. Where are your hands, bro?
Go in the train. There's another seat.
Alright, wait.
The red seat. There's the red seat near me. What the flip? No.
This is so chaotic, bro.
Did we get that invisible train?
What an invisible train? What do you mean?
No, like
Alright. Alright, get
come on.
on the train. Oh! No, my hands! No!
How did you die?
Australis, I
Man, I
didn't
died. I
lose
died. Let me
my
teleport
right
to you. Let
arm.
me teleport to you. Let me just go to you. With my
Let me
little Tom
research.
Hanks.
Why did it fall in pieces?
I gonna die.
I died now!
We spawned inside the train. Go on the train. Go on the train. Wait. Go on the train.
Alright.
There's a red chair. Yeah. Okay, let me just speed up. There's no. Oh, there it is.
What?
Wait,
What the
I'm gonna try to drive Tom Hanks. Wait.
My throat.
I'm trying to get the 10,000 speed.
No,
It's really,
don't
really
do it.
hard. What?
Don't do it.
I'm doing it.
Alright.
Go to
Try, bro.
the TP, the train thing, but like not near the Tom Hanks.
No, what you hand is going into the water. No. Oh, never mind. Oh my god, it's still here. What
Where is
the?
Tom Hanks? No. Tom Hanks. Where did I get flanked, bro? Why is it driving? Like
Yo, wait, let's drive backwards.
okay, let me just.
Alright, can you click? Alright, alright. Let's go explore the voids. The void.
No, we're going.
Oh
Wait,
no!
speed up.
Oh no! Serious!
What is happening? No! Okay, I feel I'm safe. Wait, spawn it again, spawn it again.
Alright, let's go. I can't use more spell. No. Alright, let's go. Where we go? No. In the void we go. No.
No! Yo, why did I get the HD diamond available?
Oh wait, I can fly. Yo, no way.
Wait.
Oh, never mind. Yo, no way. I got commands. That's cool. Wait, I have an idea. I have a brilliant idea. Wait, can you get on the train?
Adamant. Oh, wait.
Get on the train. No!
What
I'm
happened to you?
now. Reset. Alright. Oh no!
Where did I die? Bro, you broke the cell barrier.
No.
For me, like I heard it. Wait. Forward. Come on. Drive forward. The 20 push-ups, boy. You ain't driving forward.
Wait. Oh, wait. Let me push your train real quick.
No! I died.
Alright. Alright, let me just fly this train. Wait. Never mind. Wait, what happened?
Wait, what was the speed? Wait. No, reverse
Oh,
it. No!
No. Wait, what? Wait. No. Oh,
No, reverse.
Alright, let me just drive up to you, bro. Yeah, but...
Yo, what?
Ah,
Oh,
where am I going? Yeah. What? What is that? Oh, wait, I'm still here. Alright.
Tom Hanks is trying to get in the
Get
VIP
out, bro.
place.
I'm...
Bro,
I can't get out. Oh, hell.
wait, what does
Well,
flip
let me check
do?
the command second. What's
What does
happening?
flip do? Oh, it's just
Yeah.
makes.
Oh, wait. Oh, what?
What? What is it? Wait. Commands.
No, I died. No. Oh.
No. What?
Take the L.
What's happening to you?
Rymans.
Oh.
Take the L.
Oh, what's this? Oh, no! Oh, that's happening!
Rymans.
No!
What is that?
No, the train! The train!
What the hell was that?
Take the L. Worm.
What? Oh! Oh! What? Oh! Whoa! I have ultra instinct! Try me!
No way, he has ultra instinct. I'm running away. No, help me! What is this? What are you doing?
Bro, I want to shit and my default dancing.
You know the boat video? Like boat video, ice boat Minecraft video, like there's drawings of a frame of the character, then it turns into animation when you drive with ice
Take the
boat.
L. Ryman.
Beep the train.
What the Look.
Take the L.
Sadly, I don't have an auto clicker. So I have to press it myself.
What? I have headless! Bro, come here. I have headless.
I'm coming.
I'm rich.
I'm coming, dude. No, I died!
I'm rich. I have headless.
Yo! Bro has headless.
Take the L.
Oh, yo, look at my
No, I
phone,
killed
bro.
myself!
It looks so cool.
I killed myself by accident.
Oh, what is happening to my face? Why am I scared? I'm scared, bro. Oh, no.
Yo, I have the emote too, but I don't know why.
Oh, what?
What?
Ah.
What's happening?
Worm.
What is happening, bro? Bro's tweaking.
Rattan.
Yo!
Wait, I think that's
Yo,
correct.
yo! Whoa, whoa!
I think that's copyright, to be honest.
I don't know.
Alright.
Wait, did you record all of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rattan.
What do you mean now?
I don't know.
Helicopter.
Hi, helicopter.
Ahem.
Worm.
I look like a horror character, bro.
Now I'm
Inex.
driving away. No! What is happening? No! 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 What's happening? Yes, I'm
Oh! I was better there. How was the signal? What the? Oh wow! I'm cute.
You're plushy. No, if you get stung by a knife, well, anyways.
Wait, no. Oh my god! What is this? I'm a horror character. Oh!
No! I don't know.
Oh whoa! The train is no longer.
Yo. Bro, what is
Oh my! Wait, what's that?
Yo, what the?
Oh my! I'm another bacon.
Bacon, but with a dynamic face.
Look, I'm a ghost
Oh,
now.
back.
Woo!
No, you're glassified.
Oh wow! Why is my head so small? What's happening? Oh my god! Oh wait! Look, I'm one of the animation things. Look.
You're Neo fully. Oh, by the way, I know a cool game in Roblox. It's called Hobby Creator. Yo. What do you mean dry and off? What? What? You're
I
fat.
want to do character, bro.
You're fat.
Oh, what? Alright. Oh no. Which means 0. Oh my! I'm 2D now!
Oh, well. Bro, your hands are literally just squares.
Why Will Smith? Why? What? Wow, this is so cool.
What? This looks 2D. You look 2D.
Ah, you did it all day, bro.
You're a stick man.
Oh no, why am I so skinny? Alright, let's go.
Brightens. 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 Brightens.
Alright, I think it's enough. Bye, everyone.